Hi folks, just Shaquila here from Calitaa&Co with another little video for you. So today's video is all about our magic trousers and a few t-shirts there. I'm going to just show you how to sort of put it together just to make a very simple, easy to wear outfit just for now coming into the sort of summertime. So the ones I have on today, these are my camouflage ones. These do come in other colours as well, but I'm not going to show you those today. They'll be on a different video for another time. But today's one, I'm going to show you sort of our plain magic trousers. So our plain ones come in a few different colours. They come in 3 sizes, so you've got size 1, 2 and 3. Size 1 will fit anybody from size 8 up to a small 14. Then we have our size 2, which will fit anybody from a 14 up to an 18, and then our size 3 will fit up to from 18 till about 22. Super stretchy trousers. So this is a size 1. As I say, they fit up to a size 14. 2 pockets in the back. Drawstring waistband, so you can have it tighter or looser, and 2 pockets at the front. £25, and just simple, nice, simple, lightweight trouser for this time of the year. You can team it with one of our splash t-shirts. That's the black, so that can make it quite a nice outfit in the black there. So we also have the plain magic trousers in a few other colours, as I say. So just going to run through the colours that we have. So this is the white, that's the pale blue, charcoal grey. We also have it in dark blue, pale pink and grey. So it's your dark blue, your pale pink and your pale grey. So as I say, we have 3 sizes in those. We're not in stock all the time in all of the sizes because we do sell out of these very quickly, so they are such a popular trouser. Very comfortable to wear, as I say, and super stretchy. You can team them with t-shirts or sweaters or whatever you want. I'm wearing today with mine is one of our Chloe t-shirts. These are on our website. So you can wear these either full length, just like I have, 2 pockets on the side, or you can turn it up more like this if you want to have it a little bit shorter. So good wee style t-shirt to work with the magic trousers. So something like that, you know, you could just put a pair of white ones on, just even like that, and that looks quite well as well. As I say, they're a crinkly sort of style. You can iron them if you wish, but you don't really need to iron them, so that's the beauty of them as well, so you can be particularly lazy. And as I say, you can pop it on even with the white, even with one of our nice splash t-shirts. Oops. And that can look a nice outfit as well. So that's the cobalt blue in that one. I have these in a few different colours, probably about 8 or 9 different colours. So I can show you them, pardon me, in a different video as well. But they're all on the website and just work really well with our magic trousers. We also have a new style in, which is this wee style. It has sparkle detail on the pocket and also down the side as well. Now these here are slightly different fitting, so these are going to fit anybody sort of from about a size 10 up to about a small 16. Again, super stretchy, 2 pockets at the front, drawstring waistband. They don't have any pockets in the back, so they're slightly different cut on those ones, but again, super stretchy and just really comfortable lightweight trouser. We have those in 5 colours, so we have it in the pink, we have it in a couple of colours of blue, we have it in white, has the silver thread down the side, that's the cornflower blue. We'll have it in pale blue and we'll have it in pale grey. So that's your 5 colours in those, and the pink. So just, as I say, very simple, easy to wear style, and any of them you can work with the Chloe tops. We do the Chloe tops in short sleeve and long sleeve. I'm just going to see there if I have a long sleeve one to show you. I'm just going to grab one here off another reel here. Sorry. This is Chloe top here in the long sleeve, so same sort of idea, but it just has the sleeve, so if it's a bit of a cooler day you can have the long sleeve. And we have plenty of scarves on our website as well, so sometimes if you want to just even dress it up just with a wee scarf, can look quite well as well. So Chloe tops are £16 for the short sleeve, £18 for the long sleeve. Magic trousers are anywhere from £25 up to £28 depending on which one you go for. They're all on the website, so it's www.calitaa&co.com, and if you just type in magic trousers you'll see them all there. And if you need any advice or anything like that, send us a wee message either via Facebook, or you can send us a message here on YouTube, or you can send us a message via the website as well if you're not sure about sizing. So that's our wee video all about our trousers and our Chloe tops, and talk to you again soon. Thanks for listening. Bye.